Okay, in this lecture I will show you how to work on the graphics for the iPad. So again, what you need to do is go to Xcode and go to the Words folder, and within that Words folder you will see a Screens folder. Okay, so within that Screens folder you see home view controller underscore ipad.zip. So any file that says underscore ipad.zip are the files that are meant for iPad. So I want you to click on the home view controller right here, and together we're going to work on changing this. So I don't need that, I'm going to put this here. Okay, so this is the home view controller. I'm just going to click on this banner and change the color from blue to orange. Word search, I'm going to change this to black. Now you guys should be familiar with that because this is the exact same process as what we've done earlier. Okay, but this time it's for iPad. All right, so I'm going to do it a lot faster. Okay, that will do. Now moving to the game view controller iPad. Okay, and right here I'm going to select the background and just put that to orange. All right, and I believe I did not do it for the regular for the iPhone view, which is true. So I'm going to put this actually to orange. All right. Okay, change the best time to black. Now the view of the iPad and the view of the iPhone don't have to be exactly the same. Okay, it's better if they are that they are similar, but they don't have to be exactly the same. All right, so now moving on to the package view controller underscore iPad. Okay, should be coming anytime now. Here it is, and again need to change the background. So that's the label. I'm going to change the label to black and the background to orange. Okay, again, if you want to change the buttons, pretty straightforward. Just click on this button and look at the file name here. It's back.png. Okay, so make sure you change these. All right, moving to the finish.ipad. Okay, all right, so as you can see, I can just change the colors to something else. Let me put orange. Okay, so just for the sake of seeing that. Okay, so as you can see, pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm going to stop here, but you guys can keep going on this. Same thing, if you want to change the color of the buttons, just remember that it's the menu.png and the menu at 2x. All right, next, settings. I don't want to change much about the settings. Okay, I'm just going to change here settings to orange. Okay, and then store packages, the underscore iPad. I'm going to change the background to orange. Okay, and the color of the text to being black. Okay, next, store package view controller. I'm going to change, actually, oh yeah, that's, I've already done it. I've done the iPad one. Okay, so that's good. Now go in the store coins folder and look for the iPad version one. Okay, so the store coin folder is a bit above it, and click on the background and change it to your color, and also the label to your color. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to change this one as well to black. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so at this point we are done. You can keep going and look at the other ones. Okay, and also change them if you want to, but the other ones are optional. The store pay pop-up is optional. So that's it. We are actually done with the changes for the iPad version. The rest is done through code, so you don't have to worry about it. It's going to be the exact same thing on the iPad and the iPhone now. All right, so don't forget to do a product clean and then run, otherwise you're not going to be able to see your changes. All right, see you guys in the next lecture.